Oh, man. I lost another great job. Amazon. What a company. Man, why do I keep losing these jobs? And it's not because of the drugs. I tell you, I passed all the drug tests, so what is it? Why did Amazon fire me from my position? Oh, you believe that? They just let me go like that. I couldn't believe it. He told me to go home and drink a beer, because I'm an alcoholic. You believe that? I can't believe this guy, man. How do they know? Oh, man. I'm telling you guys, if you work for Amazon, you know how stressful this position is. Not any Joe schmuck off the street is gonna be able to do what I was doing for Amazon. I mean, the millions and billions of dollars that we were able to give Amazon, and they just let me go like that. So if you have a position in Amazon, watch out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get to the point of this video. I used to work for Amazon affiliate program back in October of 2018. I started that affiliate program with my YouTube channel, and I would advertise some of the products that I use for my YouTube channel. And how this works, the Amazon affiliate program is you're pretty much putting a product in front of a customer, and if the customer decides to click on my link, and whether he buys the product that I'm advertising or he just buys whatever he wants for Christmas, especially in Christmas, is great because people do a lot of shopping. But if the customer buys anything through my link off of Amazon, I get some kind of commission from the purchase. Now, typically the commission is anywhere from 2 to like 7%, which is not bad at all. And the more products you can push and people buy to support your channel. So guys, if you have been buying stuff through the links, whether it's my products that I'm advertising or whether it's your personal products, cheers to you guys. You guys are the best. You guys are supporting the channel. You don't even know it. I was doing that for a few months and I was really happy about it, man. I was making some extra side cash, even though it was like a couple bucks here, a couple bucks there. It was adding up. But here's where things went sour. I was telling a few of my friends and co-workers to purchase using my links. So I was pushing my links towards them. And some of them did purchase things, and thank you for those that did. But then what happened was I told my brother to buy something using my link. And when he purchased something using my link, this is when everything went downhill. My brother has the same last name, obviously, like I. So I guess because my account has that last name and he purchased from me with that last name, the algorithm that Amazon has was red flag. They knew something was going on. And Amazon doesn't support and doesn't like when you're using your link for discounts. They told me specifically later on, I got an email from Amazon and they told me that they're closing my account. I was like, what? Why? I'm creating business for you guys as well. They said that Amazon affiliate program is not a discount program. You cannot just use your links to buy things at a discount for friends and family, okay? It is an advertising program and everybody makes money this way. And once that was a red flag for me, they actually decided to close my account down that same day. I couldn't believe it. I'm working, I got some extra cash going, and they just shut it down real quick. That opened my mind because this is life. This can happen in any field. Your job, your life, your relationships. It can go 0 to 60 real quick. So what happened? They emailed me, and keep in mind, at this time I had accumulated a little bit of money on my Amazon affiliate account. But I never got paid because I guess you have to have a threshold that they pay you out at. They closed my account down, and the reason for that closure was they said my YouTube channel, where I'm advertising on, does not have enough subscriber count. What? What? I guess you needed around 200 subscribers at the minimum to have an affiliate Amazon affiliate working for you, and at that time I was under 200 subs, guys. So we were way down at the bottom of the barrel. Not where we are now, but I have not went back to Amazon affiliate program. I am currently working for eBay Partner Network, and everything is going well. Plan B, you always gotta have a plan B. So this is what happened though. If you guys don't know, my subscriber count is currently private, so you guys don't know how many subscribers I have. So the reason my subscriber count is on private is because I didn't want Amazon to see how much subscribers I have, and I thought maybe I would try to reapply for Amazon affiliate program in the near future. But as I joined eBay network, eBay partnership network, everything was going much smoother. Honestly, a lot of the stuff I'm buying is from eBay, and you can find a lot more stuff on eBay even for less than Amazon. So I decided to stick with eBay, but I kept my numbers private just in case I wanted to reapply to the Amazon partnership program. And maybe if I hide my numbers, they don't know how many subscribers I have, and they will let me work for them once again. But that is a story why my YouTube channel subscription count is private. I hope you guys don't mind that, but I am thinking about putting it back to public just so everybody keeps track of the channel and the growth. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below what I should do. Oh, we're slow rolling. Guys, so the good thing is Amazon decided to pay me out whatever I have accumulated over the few months that I was working for them. After about, I think it was a 30 or 60 day probation, they finally direct deposited that to my account, and I have the money. So everything went smooth. We ended things on a decent note. Will I go back to Amazon affiliate program? Currently, guys, I'm happy with eBay Partner Network. We're making money. We're making some extra money every month. Probably enough to buy another beer because I'm thirsty. This video took some time to make. Like, comment, subscribe, shit like that. And that's about it, guys. If you like this kind of video, if you like this setting where we can just talk about stuff, work, business, finances, cars, let me know also in the comment below, because we can definitely do these kind of videos. Honestly, who doesn't like to look good? Nice clean shirt instead of messing with the car every day, being outside in this cold Midwest weather. This is such a convenience for me. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Cheers if you're out there drinking. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel so we can get this thing monetized finally. We are under 1,000 subscribers. The next video I'm gonna make, I'm probably gonna reveal my subscriber count, the update of how much subscribers we have on this channel. And hope everyone has a blessed day. Stay positive, stay consistent, stay working hard.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true.